So this is my collection of FAN documents. If you're not familiar with the term, FAN stands for Friends, Acquaintances, and Neighbors. And it's a technique whereby when you're searching for genealogical records, you not only search the person you're looking for, but also their friends and neighbors, everyone around them. And in so doing, you hope to uncover direct information mentioning your ancestor in the records of the people that are around them. I do a fair amount of research, as you can see. And when I'm searching, in this case, I was searching on Sunday afternoon, and I was obviously going through registrations of birth. And what I was searching for were people who may have been related to me, but I didn't actually know them. Like, what do you do with them in Ancestry? There's no real place for them. So these are certificates of registrations of marriage of people named Yip. And so if later on I find out, for example, that this one, Yip Horn, a bachelor living at 504 Hastings Street East, turns out to be a cousin, then I have him here in the Yip family FAN because he could be an acquaintance, I just don't know it yet. And in this way, when I go through, for example, as you can see here, Chinatown News, I've been through a lot about Chinatown News. I collect articles about Normie Kwong. Normie Kwong is not a relation of mine, but at the same time, he's a prominent Chinese-Canadian citizen. And similarly, I have an article here on Doug Jung. Doug was the first Chinese-Canadian MP, and so I find his story quite interesting. Same as the Kum Yaos. As the first Chinese-Canadian citizen in Canada, the Kum Yao family knew my family, the Yip family, and did business with them, associated with them, partied with them, and so I collect their stories as well. Same thing here. Schedule A, I was collecting births. I don't know any Yip. She's not actually a relation, but I'm collecting her as a Yip family fan. So how do you do it? Do you research your relatives, friends, acquaintances, neighbors? Have you heard about this technique? Do you have any questions about it? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. This is Linda from Past Presence saying, see you next time.